In this aid, we will voice our actually own and market's viewpoint on any Nexo future while examining Nexo cost gauge for 2023 and past in an unobtrusive manner. If it's not too much trouble, in every practical sense, remember that you ought to really think about this and any extremely other expectation while considering other factors, since anticipating anything especially is an unpleasant errand. By and large, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Nexo, or so they generally thought. Presently, we should head into it, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Before we dive fundamentally profound into the Nexo value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that any Nexo especially is an especially wise venture or not, for what reason will any Nexo generally succeed or in every practical sense fizzle, or for what reason will Nexo value rise or drop? We should rapidly certainly toss a look at what basically is any Nexo and its to-date history, which generally is genuinely critical. What by and large is Nexo, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Nexo fundamentally is an extremely special loaning stage that permits you to procure revenue under digital currency ventures. In opposition to mainstream thinking, without a doubt, loan fees generally fluctuate by circulation strategy and coin. Yet you can generally hope to procure somewhere in the range of 6% and 12% APR in an unpretentious manner basically. Nexo explicitly is situated in Switzerland, which especially makes it for the most part less powerless against expanding US, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Guideline of crypto loaning stages. Nexo likewise permits you to explicitly take out advances in view of how much digital money in sort of your record without selling really your coins and repurchasing them, or so they especially thought. Loan costs for credit start at 5.90% APR, exhibiting that actually if it's not too much trouble. Basically remember that you ought to in a real sense think about this and any sort of other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since anticipating anything truly is a difficult errand. Certainly not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Nexo, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. However, you can't right now by and large purchase or really sell digital currencies through the Nexo stake. The crypto investment account supplier generally offers a very high return strategy for financial backers to bring in cash on genuinely inactive coins and fiat in an unobtrusive manner. How does the Nexo genuinely token respond? Which especially is very critical. Nexo sort of was made during the ICO and disseminated to the group and early adopters in an unpretentious manner. The firm offers up to 30% of its benefits with Nexo holders, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The Nexo by and large token supports the credit and store biological system. Holding the for the most part token qualifies purchasers for a 30% portion of organization benefits, similar to a profit in an unobtrusive way. Nexo claims it really has paid more than $9 million to token holders starting around 2018, or so they in every practical sense thought. The essentially token likewise sort of has a kind of couple of advantages for digital money premium record clients, which in a real sense is very huge. In the case of holding Nexo, clients can, 1, which essentially is genuinely huge, procure an extra 2% APY on their stores, bringing stablecoins up to 12% and fundamentally other cryptographic forms of money to 8% in an unpretentious manner. 2, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Get 5.9% for Nexo's moment crypto credit lines in a kind of significant manner. Other digital money premium record stages truly have comparable tokens. Celsius truly has Cell, Crypto.com truly has Crow, which truly is genuinely huge. They really appear to in a real sense be an especially means to secure and boost in every way that really matters early adopters to utilize the stage and basically hold the token, showing that loan fees for credits truly start at 5.90% APR. Exhibiting that especially if it's not too much trouble. Generally remember that you ought to think about this and any sort of other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything certainly is an unpleasant errand. Generally not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Nexo in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value expectation for the most part next 10 days. Truly further appearance how fundamentally get 5.9% for Nexo's moment crypto credit lines in an unobtrusive manner. The very entire crypto world fundamentally is on an edge of a total breakdown in a quite enormous manner. Bitcoin especially has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed especially high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs, which especially is genuinely critical. When especially add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon sort of is cloudy, and there will sort of be in every practical sense more blood in the city of the crypto town, which truly is very critical. Financial backers in a real sense are selling dangerous resources and moving into kind of additional by and large stable business sectors, exhibiting that in a real sense procure an extra 2% APY on their stores, bringing stablecoins up to 12% and other cryptographic forms of money to 8%, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Crypto essentially is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous in a real sense play, and thus the auction, which sort of is genuinely huge. Our algo still sees a some genuinely green in 2023, particularly in the exact moment part of the year, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. This certainly is in a real sense reflected in our 2023 expectation, which truly shows that before we dig exceptionally profound into the Nexo value expectation and answer questions assuming that any XO by and large is a by and large wise venture or not. For what reason will any XO by and large succeed or certainly fall flat, or for what reason will Nexo value rise or drop? We should rapidly for the most part toss a look at what really is any XO and its to-date history, which generally is genuinely critical. At the present time, Bitcoin certainly needs to especially find a base before we can move in the in every way that really matters, inverse bearing and truly alter the course in a very enormous manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will really begin to do likewise. We for the most part have seen this situation many fundamentally times in the far off and certainly later history, which most certainly is very huge. Our cost expectation model especially is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in an unpretentious manner. We sort of expect whales and for the most part other kind of greater players in the market to by and large wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike, which certainly is genuinely huge. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each task in a truly significant manner. The essentials that we truly assess fundamentally are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative for the most part potential, and a few genuinely other pretty exclusive variables created in our crypto lab in a kind of enormous manner. 2023 05 20 plus 4.58% $0 7029 2023 05 210.67% $0 6677 2023 05 221.37% $0 6630 2023 05 232.14% $0 6578 2023 05 240.44% $0 6692 2023 05 25 plus 1.56% $0 6826 2023 05 262.10% $0 6581 2023 05 27 plus 2.42% $0 6885 2023 05 28 plus 0.54% $0 6758 2023 05 29 plus 0.08% $0 6727 2023 05 30 plus 0.43% 67 cents Nexo value expectation